Hey guys, welcome back to the Fit Life Over 40 channel. I'm Roosevelt, and today we're going to talk about weightlifting belts and waist trainers. Do they work or do they not work? As far as weightlifting belts go, yes, they work. They do help to prevent injury. They help to keep the waist in check. They help to keep your lower back protected, especially when you're lifting heavy weight. They help to prevent injuries. Absolutely. As far as waist trainers, do they work? Yes, you can train the waist to stay small or even get a smaller waist using a waist trainer or a weightlifting belt. I do recommend them if you're training, especially if you are a classic physique competitor or a physique competitor. You definitely want to keep the waist as small as possible. But understand that just because you're keeping the waist small doesn't mean that you're not gaining weight there. It's still possible to put on body fat in those areas. You're just training the waist to stay small. It can also be dangerous if it's worn too tight. You're taking all of your organs and intestines and you're smashing them together. That's never good. So use them responsibly. A good way to look at it would be anything that you do over a long period of time. If it's consistent, you can change it, right? So let's say you wanted a line in the middle of your arm. If you put a rubber band on that area for a long period of time, eventually you would see the indentation of that rubber band. It's the same thing as far as a waist trainer or a weightlifting belt. Yes, you can keep the waist in check, which is very important. But just be mindful that it doesn't mean that you're not going to put on any body fat there. You're just training the waist to stay small. Nothing different from doing a bicep curl or a squat. If you train something long enough, it will conform to what you want it to be, even though it may not totally be true, if that makes sense. So, in conclusion, it does work, but as I push on this channel, pretty much every video, that diet is king. Weightlifting belts are great to control the transverse abdominis, not over expanding your midsection when you're doing heavy compound lifts like the squat or the deadlift. It will definitely help to keep that waistline in check. Along with a quality diet, you can keep the waist small while everything else is growing around it. So it's your choice if you want to use the waist trainer or the weightlifting belt. I push the weightlifting belt more because it has a lot more benefits as far as protecting you from injury. So that's the video on waist trainers and weightlifting belts. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. I answer all of my questions. You can follow me on Instagram at Harley Davidson or nothing. You can follow me on Twitter at Fit Life Over 40. I'd like to thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.